Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the disk has 26 positions and moves smoothly. Align the inner ring to a letter key. This is your shared secret. Once set, test with a few letters to confirm a strict one-to-one mapping between plain text and cipher. Make sure to agree on handling spaces and punctuation before encoding. If you plan multiple messages, note a fresh key each session, otherwise patterns leak. Now that alignment is verified, you can move to encoding the first words. You encode letter by letter, reading the paired letter directly from the aligned rings, no calculation needed. Rotate only if you change the key, otherwise keep the disk steady to avoid errors. Once done, treat spaces and punctuation according to your agreed rule. For example, use a specific symbol for spaces or insert null letters to foil frequency analysis. Make sure to transcribe ciphertext clearly and double-check common words to catch mapping slips. This preserves readability for the recipient and reduces. You transmit the ciphertext, but do not send the disk alignment in the same channel. Deliver the key through a different secure path. The recipient sets their disk to the shared key and reads each cipher letter back to plain text. Reverse the mapping exactly. Once decoded, confirm readability with a short check phrase to ensure no misalignment. If decoding yields gibberish, inspect ring engagement and re-establish the key. That single troubleshooting step fixes the most common error and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.